Okay, Kelly, can you hear me? Okay, that's the warranty here, like you said. Now we're going to pan up. Yeah, the restaurant's damaged. To pull back wide, Rich. Just pull back wide. We're going to show you the damage here. Right there, that's northeast of the Warren Theater. You're looking at I-35. Now we go right just a little bit. Right down, you see where it crossed I-35 right there. Stop right there in I-35, Rich. Right there in I-35. That's where it crossed I-35. There are cars there. There are IMSA units there. There are police there. Look at it. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. I don't know if people lived in that one. I honestly do not know if people lived in that. That's just horrible. So, okay, we're out of here. Okay, Roger.